Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. In today's video, which is actually going to be a really quick one, I'm getting under this kitchen sink, tackling all of the chaos that is under here, and then I'm also going to hit the bathroom sink as well. A lot of stuff was just getting thrown in here, and you can see like there isn't even an organized chaos to this cabinet, so I needed to go in, get stuff all taken out, try and figure out what is all thrown in here, what I need, what I don't need, and realize that it's not a one and done. The whole organizing, decluttering, as much as I wish that it was, it's not. And I really need to keep on top of stuff like this. Last week when I was going in here, I was looking for the dishwasher tabs I had bought to make easy work of cleaning the grates on top of my stove, and I couldn't find them. And it took me like 20 minutes just to dig through here and find them, which is frustrating. So I figured, let me get in here, let me organize all of this, let me kind of get a sense of where everything is and put it back where it should be so that it makes tasks a lot easier. No, there ain't nobody like, so lucky to be yours. One of the things that I wanted to do was make like things easier to find. For instance, I had 2 boxes of gloves. They could all be consolidated into one. That way, if we need gloves, you just go in, you know where they are. There are 2 different types of gloves, but it's easy enough to just go through that. Putting like things together makes it a heck of a lot easier to find stuff, and especially stuff that is duplicates, if you can consolidate into one, and that way you have less stuff that you have to manage. One of the hard things for me is getting rid of stuff that I paid money for, like that stainless steel cleaner. I had to replace my stainless steel fridge, and I guess that was about 9 months ago now, so I haven't used that cleaner in 9 months, but yet it's still in this space taking up room, which in my house, because it's a small house, every square inch is priceless. I have no room for anything, it feels like. So stuff that I'm not using anymore or that I have no use for anymore, I just have to get that mentality of, yeah, I may have spent money on it, but if I'm not using it, it's not worth managing. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I was originally trying to do this without taking everything out, but then realized I really don't have a handle of what is in here. Like all of the stuff that's in the corner here, that's kind of my overstock stuff that I don't use on a daily basis, but I will use during the week. I like to keep that tucked in the corner. Do I have to dig for it at some point when I do go to use it? Yes, but that's the price I pay for having a small area. I do like to have this little bin here. I grabbed this from the Dollar Tree. Like I've said before, my house will never be Pinterest perfect. So what I'll do is try and get stuff from Dollar Tree or stuff that I can find that's very reasonable to work for me. The bins here, I grabbed those at Walmart. I think I grabbed them maybe 6-7 months ago. They were on clearance for like $8. It came as a 2-pack, so I was willing to spend that. And then this little bin has all of my stuff that I go to every day that I use for either wiping off countertops, wiping off tables, dusting, or cleaning the bathroom. And of course my bleach is in there because I love my bleach. I was doing a little bit of measuring because I was trying to figure out how much space I have in here, because I am looking to get new cabinets and get part of my kitchen redone, and I needed to see what space I have. Originally, I thought I only had 24 inches, but I calculated way off for some reason. Alright guys, so this is all I have room for. I measured here. The cabinet that I'm going to be getting here for the sink is, oh wait, no, it's 30 inches. No, it can't be 30. Because this is 30. Wait, I gotta measure again. So this cabinet's like 32. Alright, now I'm confused. I gotta measure something all over again. Okay, so for what I managed to do was make a complete mess and totally confuse myself. So let me kind of go wider out here. From this wall all the way over to my stove is 69 inches. I have to allow 24 for my dishwasher. I have to then fit a sink base and another cabinet. So, okay, no, wait, all right. I always thought, all right, so my dishwasher's gonna come to here. My cabinet will start here. And it will go to here. Okay, all right. Okay, I think that's right. Yeah, because I'm going to put a 15, a 30, and 24 for my dishwasher. Okay. I think because this cabinet is all one unit is what's confusing me. Yeah, oh wow, okay. I have to work some numbers again, but we did get this all cleared out. But now I'm thinking I still have more room here. I thought I was only going to be limited to 24 inches. Yeah, okay, so my cabinet's going to be 30. I have all this room over here still, well, like maybe 3 inches less. So I can still fit stuff, but I don't really need to fit stuff because honestly, this stuff, like all of this stuff here can go in the back. That's just extra detergent, which I need detergent, so I'll put some in. This is trash. This goes in the bathroom. That's stuff that just needs to be washed and put away. This is leaking, so it's getting tossed. This is for my window, so I'll probably put that back in there. This can go in the garage because it's for cars. And then this is all stuff. I don't use this stuff anymore. I don't have anything stainless steel, so I don't need that. I don't like the smell of these room spray, so, and this is almost gone. This can go in the garage because it's plant stuff. This is the only thing I need to still fit in there. And this. Okay, so let's fit this stuff back in there. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be
if I want.
Okay, now we're going to move into the bathroom sink. You know what? This one's going to be really easy. I have my set space here. I know what I'm working with, and there's no numbers involved, so no confusion. However, as I'm looking at this, I think I can make it better. I think if I grab something to put all of the hair tools in on the door, it might make it a little more pleasing to the eye, because it is functioning, but got to tell myself it's not going to be Pinterest perfect. That's like, I look at those pictures and I'm thinking, yeah, I want it to be Pinterest perfect, and it's not going to be. So I need to maybe stop looking at stuff that's Pinterest perfect, right? Maybe just work on what I have and what works for me. I did grab these clear bins. I grabbed those from Walmart. They were on sale. It was a 4-pack for $10. So I'm using 2 of them in here, and then I have 2 more that I can use somewhere else. I didn't want to put them in the kitchen only because they are a bit smaller, and I don't think that they would just hold all of the stuff that I had in the kitchen under the sink, so I'll use them in another spot.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So this little caddy that I have for the hair tools now, it works. I have to put everything upright in there, which, you know, that's not going to stay like that. As we're moving stuff around, it's going to fall over. I did originally want to put them on hooks on the inside of the door. That wasn't going to work because the hooks I had wouldn't reach out far enough. However, I'm thinking if I use like one of those caddies that you hook onto the door, that you'd have the like shelf, not a shelf, but like a basket on the inside of the door, I think that might really work for this. And that way I can keep the bathroom scrubber in here, because right now I had to take it out because it wouldn't all fit in here. But it's working for now, and that's what's important, and it's something that I can work on again. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!